Are you ready to take your crypto trading game to the next level? Imagine a platform where you can trade cryptocurrencies, Forex, commodities, and even meme tokens, all in one place, with minimal slippage and no funding fees. Sounds exciting, right? Welcome to today's video, where I'll introduce you to a cutting-edge platform revolutionizing the trading world, Candy.Trade. So, what exactly is Candy.Trade? It's a next-gen decentralized exchange built on the Arbitrum One network, designed for traders who want speed, simplicity, and a ton of trading options. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or even Forex pairs like GBP, AUD, and USD, Candy.Trade has something for everyone. You can also trade real-world assets like gold, silver, and even popular stocks like Apple, all with ease. Before we dive in the video, here is the disclaimer. Now let's deep dive into Candy.Trade. As you can see, this is the interface of Candy.Trade. You can search on your browser Candy.Trade to start your crypto journey on the Candy.Trade exchange. After opening the website, now click on Start Trading. Candy.Trade is user-friendly and ideal for traders because all the features a trader needs are here. In the Watch List section, you can keep track of your favorite coins, stocks, and crypto. Now, in the crypto section, you can see the top 51 cryptocurrencies listed here, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, and many more. In the meme section, you can see top meme coins like Bonk, Elon, Meme, Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Wife Doge. When you click on the Forex tab, you can find major currency pairs to trade, like Euros/USD, Pound Sterling to US Dollar, Australian Dollar to US Dollar, NZD/USD, US Dollar to Canadian Dollar, USD/CHF, and many more. On Candy.Trade, you can also trade in commodities like gold and silver. In the stocks section, you can find top stocks like Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Candy.Trade also offers a new listing feature, where you can find information about newly listed coins on the platform. What makes Candy.Trade different from other exchanges is its easy-to-use trading options. You can place a long position or a short position with just one tap. You also get full control over market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss settings, all from one place. Candy.Trade offers up to 40x leverage. Additionally, there's a slippage tab where you can choose your preferred percentage. For example, here I select 0.5%. Candy.Trade is based on the Arbitrum One network. Now let's move on to the main part, how to create an account on Candy.Trade. When you click on Start Trading, you will see the login or sign up option. If you don't have an account, you can create one using your email or directly connect a wallet. No KYC required. For example, here I choose to connect a wallet because it's very simple. Candy.Trade supports all the top wallets used worldwide, and you can also search for any specific wallet if yours isn't listed. In my case, I use MetaMask, which is one of the most popular wallets. After clicking on MetaMask, a QR code appears. I scan this QR code to connect my wallet easily. If the first QR code doesn't work, you can click on the Click Here button as shown on your screen. A new simple QR code will appear, and you can use it to connect your wallet effortlessly to Candy.Trade. Now open your MetaMask on your phone and select your network to Arbitrum One, as Candy.Trade works on the Arbitrum One network. Here, I am showing you one of my new MetaMask accounts because I cannot show my main account due to privacy reasons. After selecting the network, open the scanner on MetaMask and scan the QR code to connect your wallet to Candy.Trade. As you can see in the video, I am connecting my wallet. MetaMask will ask for some permissions, like sign in, so allow the permissions to connect MetaMask with Candy.Trade. Once your account is connected, you can see your account in the upper right corner. Now, click on the deposit button to deposit USDT. Keep in mind that Candy.Trade requires some gas fees. Since Arbitrum One uses Ethereum for gas fees, you will need to buy some Ethereum. The gas fee is minimal, so don't worry too much about it. You can directly buy Ethereum from Candy.Trade or through MetaMask on your phone. Now, you can see I opened my MetaMask on my phone. Click the Next button. After clicking Next, you will see a page where you first need to select your country. After selecting your country, type in the amount you want to deposit. For example, in the USA, the minimum deposit amount is $20, but it may vary in other countries, so make sure to check the minimum deposit amount required to buy Ethereum. After selecting the amount, you can buy Ethereum directly using Google Pay, credit card, debit card, or any preferred payment method. However, Google Pay is the best option. This is the simple method by which you can buy Ethereum and use it on Candy.Trade as a gas fee. The charges are minimal, so don't worry too much about them. This is how you can deposit money into Candy.Trade. After connecting the wallet and Candy.Trade, you can easily buy and trade any cryptocurrency, meme coins, stocks, and even in the Forex market. You can also deposit or withdraw your money in Candy.Trade without any KYC. For example, here I type 100 USDT, and after that, click on Confirm to withdraw the amount easily. Through these simple steps, you can easily create an account on Candy.Trade and start trading. You must connect with Candy.Trade's social media accounts on X, formerly Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. All the social media links of Candy.Trade are provided in the description. Candy.Trade also offers 24/7 customer support. If you face any issues, you can directly contact the team, explain your query, and they will try to resolve your problem as soon as possible. Now, start your trading journey in cryptocurrency with Candy.Trade. I hope this video has given you clear knowledge about trading in cryptocurrencies, meme coins, commodities, stocks, and the Forex market. If you found value in my video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let's meet again in the next video.